Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 3, chapter complex number. We have exercise 1. We have reached question 26. 26. Again, not so good looking question, I would say. So, alpha and beta are two complex number and we have to prove that this is equal to this. All right. It involves mod, it involves square root and all so on. Now, the approach of such a question is we have something inside and alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta. So the first thing first, if this is an expression, try to square that expression. Try to square the expression. If this is equal to, and let's say this is equal to t, then what do? We square it. So if we square it, what do we get? Alpha plus alpha square minus beta square root over square plus alpha minus alpha square minus beta square root over square plus, remember we are squaring it as in algebraic terms. This is something a, this is b. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 2 into, now these are two mod that we are multiplying, so we can always combine them. So it is alpha plus alpha square minus beta square into alpha minus alpha square minus beta square. So this is what we were trying to achieve right from the beginning. So when we multiply, this is again x plus y into x minus y. So a square minus b square. So we know what is the answer going to be. Alpha square minus square of this. So alpha square minus beta square. So alpha square minus alpha square plus beta square. Okay, so one part is solved. We are getting beta square. Now, this one, again, it's a complex number. Square of a complex number is also a complex number. Root over of a complex number is also a complex number. So, whenever mod of a complex number is squared, we have to multiply with its conjugate. So, this is nothing but alpha plus alpha squared minus beta squared into alpha mod conjugate plus alpha squared minus beta squared root over conjugate. Can come down. So it's going to be a little lengthy calculation. So that is what we are going to do here. We are just multiplying with its conjugate here plus this. And if we just go about multiplying with the conjugate, this into this, we get this into this, we get this. If we just open it up, then we will be left with something like this. So the question is little bit calculation intensive, I would say, but it's a very good question for practice of such thing. We just open it up and then patiently go ahead and keep solving it. Here, this concept is applied, and then of course, alpha into alpha conjugate is nothing but mod of alpha square. Mod of alpha square. So similarly, any complex number multiplied with its conjugate will give you the mod. So this understanding and then this understanding. So all of that combined, just patiently keep on opening it up. At the end, you will get this. You will get this 2 into alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta, alpha plus beta whole square, alpha minus beta whole square. So in between, you have to think back. See, if we just open it up, this is what we are going to get. So 2 into alpha square minus beta square, we are going to get from here. And then we have to open it up into alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta. And this is nothing about. Open it up. A little bit of back calculation you have to do, and then you have to reach here. So a good question to practice. Continue. Thank you.